Hi, DD Explorers here. We're back at Hickory Run. There's not too many people here, but then it is kind of early in the morning. I did promise you to see the ruins that were along the creek here that got wiped out from that flood in, I think it was 1849. But let's go see what we can find. If you remember, whoops. Just call me Grace. If you remember, last time I was here, I promised you I would show you the ruins of the sawmill and the house that was up here that got wiped out in the flood from the Saylorville Dam and the ones above there. It's a great morning. Very early. Nobody's even out here yet. But it's beautiful. It's cool, but it's not that cool. We can manage this. So just a quick little explore to show you what I couldn't show you previously. Let's go see what we can find. You see, last time I was here, when I couldn't take you up here, this part was swamped, and actually the creek was up much higher than it is right now. I think those are the ruins over there. Let's go find out. Oh, just smacked myself in the tree with the branch here. That was brilliant, huh? Okay. Now they say there were a number of sawmills along the creek, but these ruins aren't that big. So I'm almost wondering, was it really a sawmill? Was it just a house? Because the houses that were along here got wiped out in that flood. People lost their lives. They're buried in the Hickory Run Cemetery. That's another video I could give you the link to. I have to go down here and look. Last time I was at these ruins, they just seemed so much bigger. Ooh. I would imagine that the creek, when it floods pretty good, I would imagine it takes some of the ruins with it. Ooh. Okay, there's one wall. Last time I was here, I found some creepy stuff stuck in a little crevice in one of these walls. Yeah, just call me Grace. I'm good. Okay, I flipped the camera around so you could see how high this wall is. It was definitely higher than me. I would say it was at least 7 feet at one point. Found this rock here. It's got some nice red coloring in it. I have no idea what the colors are. Maybe one of you guys know? Give me a hand here. I'm not good with rocks. See, being that this was so incredibly close to the creek, I really would like to say it was part of a sawmill. The building was, from the ruins that are left, I would say at least 60 feet long. So, you tell me. I'm going to see if we can find the ruins from the house that was just downstream a tiny bit. In the meantime, enjoy the view. Really nice out here this morning. I mean, the sun's not even totally up yet. It's gorgeous. You might say, well, this creek isn't that big. How could it flood this out and, you know, wipe out the houses and the sawmills and drown those people? But it is big. There's a series of dams up there. One failed, and then, of course, the next one did. And when they cut loose, the water came up here and just totally took everything out. Okay, this might be promising. I was not at all prepared to be finding a cave or anything. There's a big hole under this rock. I'm gonna climb up here and see what I can find. Oh, no. Just a tiny little hole. I thought it was something bigger. From down there it looked bigger. While I'm up here, let me go see what it is. Good gosh. Steep. Ah, no. It's just a little cubby. Oh well, I tried. Whew. And there's the sawmill, or what I think is the sawmill. You see there's a wall right next to the creek. Then there's that tall wall. Then there's another wall, a longer one. And then there's the fourth one. So that really makes me think it was the sawmill. Okay, this is a little higher above the creek and the sawmill. Was it just a wall? Was it part of a foundation? I'm not sure. Whoa. These leaves are hiding everything, and I'm tripping. Okay, let's go down this way a bit. Oof. Okay, here's a little bit. Okay, here's a little bit more. This one would, I assume, would have been part of a house. It's kind of squarish. You can't see all the stones because there's so many leaves out. It's, just all covered up. It's kind of squarish. I would say maybe 20 by 20 feet. About that. Could this have been where Elizabeth and the children used to live? I don't know. Nobody knows exactly who lived here, but it would be interesting to find out. Okay, let's go back the way we came. Okay, I was able to find the ruins for you. I'm glad I did. It's a great day. It's nice out, very peaceful. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you soon. Peace, baby.